Hello, thank you for choosing Solarfix. In this video, I'm going to review a few key points about your system. If you ever need to turn off your system in the event that NIE have contacted you as they're doing work on the line via a letter or an email, or perhaps if someone's doing work on your roof, this is how you do it. You first turn off the AC isolator, which is the red and yellow switch. Then you move over to the DC isolator. Sometimes this can be underneath the Solis inverter, and you flick to the left like that. Or it can also be on a black and grey switch, which is located to the side of the inverter. For the Duracell battery, you flick off the lid, locate the clear box, open it up, and then flick that switch down like that. To power the system back on again, flick up the battery switch and hit the power button. Then you turn on the DC, followed by the AC. A few days after install, you will receive an email to register your SolisCloud account. Here you will be prompted to create a password, and then you will be asked to log in. Your username is your email, and then your password is the one that you have set. So once you log in, you will be brought to a page that looks like this. On this page, you will see a graph to show the PV, which you're generating, how much your battery is discharging, the load of your house, and then the grid export. So if we look at this for an example, the PV is 0.03, the house load is 0.4, so the battery is having to kick in to fulfill the house load. When the battery is charging, this purple line will be green and the arrow will be facing the opposite direction. Now, an important thing about this graph is that it is laggy. This is around 5 to 10 minutes laggy. So what you want to look is at this graph. If we go back to the previous day, all recordings of this graph will be here. The purple line is your battery state of charge. You can see your PV and how much was exported to the grid and your load for the day. If you have a battery and you wish to set an overnight charge, this is normally done in the autumn and winter months. You go to Device, click on the inverter, locate the three dots, click on Inverter Control, agree the terms and conditions, and type in the password you use to log in. Once you're in here, allow the page to load. You want to locate work mode, click into self-use mode, and allow the page to load again. Ensure the time of use switch is enabled. Allow grid charging, make sure that's enabled, and then you're going to go into charge and discharge. What you want to do is you want to set the current to 50 amps and then locate the charge time slot to whatever you wish. Most people will do from 6 to 8 a.m. or you can increase it to say 4 a.m. Click OK and then hit save. And you will see command successful. In the next few days, you will receive a PowerNI email from myself. This is to set up your export account. What you want to do is click on the first link, and this is where you enter your personal details in order to set up your export account. You will then receive an email from PowerNI prompting you to type in your bank details to then get paid for your export. If you reach the generation station page, you've gone too far. This is already set up by PowerNI. As part of our continued customer service, we now have a YouTube channel which has a lot of how-to videos which are there to help you when you need it. We also have a new Solarfix support page on our website. This is where you can get in contact with any manufacturer about their products. For example, if we go into Solis, you can open up a direct WhatsApp chat with a Solis agent and they will be able to advise on any queries you have. Again, if you need my help or anyone at Solarfix's, just give us a call. Thank you.